To Education by Spencer. Today we will be finding out about how to set up a circuit board where we use a potentiometer to make the blinking LED light go brighter or darker. We'll be able to affect the brightness and lightness of the LED light. And we also today will be testing to see what's the difference between the digital and analog circuit. So let's get ready, y'all. Let's go. Okay, now we're gonna find out if we have two digital and one analog, will it still light up the LED lights? Here we go. Let's see how it tests out. Last jumper wire. That particular jumper wire is going in the 13. And as we see, they all are blinking at the same rate. It works. Okay, here we have one digital, one analog, and they're both blinking. Now let's see what happens if we have two digitals with no analog. If we notice, the LEDs are still blinking. Now for the last part, let's see what happens if we have two analogs. Will the LEDs still light up? If we notice, the LEDs still light up, but they no longer blink. They're doing simple. Okay, thank you. Now we're doing code play. As you can tell, we have analog. We changing analog right to digital right on the screen, and we're going to see if the LEDs still blink at the same rate. Now we're going to run it. Now we're going to run it and see if the LED lights are still running. Now let's look down at the screen. And as you can tell, the LED lights are still running. They're still blinking at the same rate. Alright. Okay, now we're exploring how to change the brightness and the speed or the blinking rate of one individual LED while leaving other LEDs at the same rate. So let's see what happens. So let's see it once again. Let's cut up the brightness on it, or cut the brightness down. And it looks like one. Would you say the yellow LED lights are affected a little different? Let's see. We'll cut the lights off. We still have the same rate. Do we have the same brightness?
No.
We affected the brightness, but we have yet to affect the speed of the LED blinks. All right, I'd like to thank you. See you next week.